Good morning, kindergarten. This is Mrs. Cancer. Let's get ready for some kindergarten math. As usual, please make sure you have a pencil and a piece of paper so you can problem solve alongside me. Let's get ready. During today's math lesson, kindergarten, you are going to be looking for number parts that help to make 9 and 10 today. Kindergarten, during today's math lesson, we are going to read our number story. We are going to draw a matching picture that goes with our number story. And then we are going to write an equation to go with it. We're going to read our number story first. Are you ready? Let's read it together. There are 9 cats. Some are black and some are white. How many cats are black and how many are white? Kindergarten, what important number did you hear in our number story? That's right. You heard that there were 9 cats altogether. So we know that our drawing is going to include how many circles? 9. You've got it. Now we're not going to draw those circles any kind of way. We want them to be organized. They should be organized how? You guessed it, kindergarten, kiss your brain. They should be organized in a 5 group of 9. A 5 group of 9 has 5 on top and 4 at the bottom. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, kindergarten, our number story tells us that there are 9 cats altogether. Our story also says some are black and some are white. We don't have any number parts that tell us how many are black and how many are white. So I think that we get to decide how we make 9 today. What if we decided to make 6 cats white and 3 cats black? That means we're going to color in 6 cats white and 3 cats black. But we also want to show our parts of 9. We can show our parts of 9 by doing what, kindergarten? You got it. We can either circle our parts or we can draw a line. Let's see what our parts look like. Kindergarten, after we read our number story, we discovered that there were how many cats altogether? That's right, 9 cats altogether. So that means we needed to draw 9 cats in an organized way. When we say an organized way, that means we want to do a 5 group of 9. A 5 group of 9 has 5 at top and 4 at the bottom. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, our story also said some are black and some are white. So we know that some cats are white and some cats are black. There's not a number to represent what some means in our story. So we need our magic line to make parts. We drew a line down the middle to show 6 white cats and 3 black cats on the other side. 6 white cats plus 3 black cats make how many cats all together, kindergarten? Oh boy, kiss your brain. It makes 9. Read the equation with me. 9 equals 6 plus 3. This magic line is great because it shows our parts. All we had to do is make a line down the middle and decide, kindergarten, how many cats were going to be white and how many cats are going to be black. Isn't this fun? I think so too. Let's try another. Okay, kindergarten, let's read our next number story. Read along with me. There are 10 buttons. Some are black and some are white. How many buttons are black and how many are white? Kindergarten, what important number did you hear that will help us to draw our number story? That's right. You heard 10 buttons. There are 10 buttons. That means we're going to draw 10 buttons and a 5 group of 10. A 5 group of 10 has 5 at top and 5 at the bottom. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that we have our 10 buttons, we've got to find parts that will make 10. Some are black and some are white. What if we drew our magic line here and we made 4 buttons white and the rest of our buttons black? What would that look like, kindergarten? Let's see. Kindergarten, after reading our number story, we discovered that there were 10 buttons all together. So we drew 10 buttons in a 5 group of 10. 5 group of 10 has 5 buttons at top and 5 buttons at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we want to find the parts of 10. In our story, it says some are black and some are white. Our parts aren't represented with a number, so we needed to draw a magic line to show our 2 parts. We decided that 4 buttons would be white and 6 buttons would be black. So we made our magic line to show 4 and 6. Our number parts that make 10 are 4 white buttons plus 6 black buttons. All together, 4 and 6 make, you guessed it, 10. 10 equals 4 plus 6. Or we might say 10 buttons equals 4 white buttons plus 6 black buttons. Are you ready to try a number story by yourself? Okay, get your pencil and your paper so you can draw your the next number story. Okay, kindergarten, your turn to be a problem solver and try to solve this number story on your own. Let's read it together. Ready? Go. There are 9 bears. Some are black and some are white. How many bears are black and how many are white? Kindergarten, what important number did you hear that will help you draw this story? You guessed it. You heard the number 9. That means there are 9 bears we need to draw all together. Let's make sure we draw them in a 5 group of 9. Remember, a 5 group of 9 has 5 at top and 4 at the bottom. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you see 2 number parts that can be used in this number story? How would we break this drawing into 2 parts? Kindergarten, go ahead, take this opportunity to draw your story, break it into 2 parts, and write an equation. Ready? Go. Kindergarten, after we read our number story, we discovered that there were 9 bears all together. We drew our 9 bears in a 5 group of 9. A 5 group of 9 has 5 bears at top and 4 bears at the bottom. But in our story, we had to find 2 number parts that made 9. Remember, some bears were black and some were white. Looking at your picture, could you tell how many bears were black and how many bears were white? You could. After you discovered your 2 parts, did you draw a line between those 2 parts? Good job. So one of our parts had how many bears, kindergarten? That's right, 2 black bears. What about our other part? How many bears in our other part? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 7 white bears in our other part. So 2 black bears plus 7 white bears make how many bears all together, kindergarten? Nice work. 9. 9 bears equals 2 black bears plus 7 white bears. We can easily take 9 and 10 apart by making sure that we write or draw our picture in a 5 group of 9 or 10 and use a magic line to show our 2 parts. What a great job you did, kindergarten. Now you're ready to move on to your assignment for today. Kindergarten, just like we practiced, you're going to read your number story, draw a picture that matches your number story, and then write an equation. I know you're going to do an awesome job at this work today. And after you're finished, I hope you have some fun in the sun, and I will see you soon. Have a great day.